So friends, let's start our class again with chapter 9, male or female. Noun, male or female. As you can see here, in this chapter, we'll study about two nouns, genders, male or female. As you can see, Tina is a girl, Tarun, she is Tarun's sister. She is Mr. Verma's daughter. Open page number 29, chapter 9, nouns, male and female. The word girl, sister, daughter are nouns. They are said to be of female group. Tarun is boy. He is Tina's brother. He is Mr. Verma's son. Now here boy, brother and son, they all belong to the male group. Understand? Write F in the box besides noun which belongs to the female group and M in the box besides noun which belongs to the male group. Father is male or female? Father is male. So here you have to write M, capital M. Grandmother is male or female? Female. So you have to write F. Girl is male or female? Female. So you have to write F. Queen is female. Mother is male or female? Female. Daughter is female. Boy is male. Grandfather is male. Son is male. King is male. Understand? Underline the nouns with pink color if they belong to the female group and circle with blue color if they belong to the male group. Here you just have to underline the noun with the pink color. So girl, sister, daughter, they all belong to a female group. They all belong to female group. Girl, sister, daughter, which belongs to female group. Understand? Female group means the girl is ऐसा group जिसमें girls के बारे में जिनके सारे names girls के होते हैं, like girl, sister, daughter, grandmother, queen, mother, aunt. They all belongs to female group. Like next is Tarun is boy. He is Tina's brother. He is Mr. Verma's son. So boy, brother, son, they all belong to male group. Understand? The boy group they belong to, the male group. I hope you understood what is male group and what is female group. So here we just have to write female, F for female group and M for male group. Father is male or female? Father is male or female? Which group? Who can tell me? Yashwant, can you tell me? Father belongs to which group?
Ma'am, male.
Yes, very good, Yashwant. Father belongs to male group. So students, here you just have to do in this exercise, underline the nouns with pink color. You have to underline nouns with pink color if they belong to female group. If any noun is belonging to female group, you have to underline with pink. And if noun is belonging to male group, you have to circle with blue. Like circle with blue, you have to circle with blue. Here you can see, my uncle came to meet me. So uncle is from male group, so we have to circle it with blue color. His son plays with me. Son is male group, so circle with blue color. My brother is very naughty. Brother is male group. She is my sister. Yes, sister is from female group. So we have to underline it with pink color, sorry. Okay. The man standing there is my father. So here we have to circle with blue color. Father and man. They both are father and man. They both are, they belong to male group. Understand? Rest of the questions I hope you all can do easily. It's very simple. Following are some common male and female pairs. You can say male group, female group. Bull, the female of bull is cow. The female of peacock is peahen. The female of horse is mare. The female of father is mother. The female of boy is girl. The female of sir is madam. Match the male with the female. Here we just have to match. I hope you all can do this exercise easily. Horse, mare. Bull, it is cow. Where is cow? Yes. Horse is mare. Bull is cow. Loin, loiness. I guess loiness is down there. It's the last minute. Loiness. Hen, cock, hen, peacock, peacock, peahen. Understand? I hope you all have done this exercise also. It's very simple. Move to the next exercise. Complete this pair by using the words given in the box. Husband, the female of husband is wife. Wife. Cock, hen. Lion, lioness. Tiger, tigress. Here tiger you have to write. King, queen. ये बहुत सिंपल एक्सरसाइज है, आप सब लोग कर लेंगे आराम से. I know that. But you have to learn it. Learn all the feminine genders. Understand? Move to the next chapter, which is chapter 10. Apostrophe S. The apostrophe S. This comma is called apostrophe. Understand? यहाँ पे comma है. That is called apostrophe, and this chapter is the apostrophe S. Read these sentences. Manya is playing with a doll. Manya एक doll के साथ खेल रही. Manya's doll can talk. Now here the sentence Manya's doll. Here what is written here? Manya's doll. Manya's doll. So Manya's doll is a sentence, a word which tells us that the doll belongs to Manya. ये जो डॉल है वो मान्या की डॉल है. कौन सा सेंटेंस बता रहा है? ये मान्या's डॉल. अंडरस्टैंड? अगर ये बुक मेरी है then I will say that कीर्ति's book. What I will say? कीर्ति's book. ये कीर्ति की बुक है. Understand? If something belongs to Alka, Alka के पास एक पेंसिल है, then I will say Alka's pencil. और कैसे लिखेंगे उसको? I will write like this. Alka apostrophe S, Alka's pencil. Understand? Like this. Apostrophe we have to write. We have to put apostrophe comma. जो ऊपर लगता है एक comma, that is called apostrophe comma. Alka's pencil. Understand? Here Manya's dolls means doll belonging to Manya. ये doll किसकी है? Manya की doll है. The elephant's trunk is very strong. Here we are talking about the elephant's trunk. This is called trunk. ये क्या है? ट्रंक है एलिफेंट का. अंडरस्टैंड? ट्रंक मींस हिंदी, इन हिंदी वी से दैट सूंड. जो सूंड होती है ना हाथी की नाक जो होती है लंबी सी, दैट इज कॉल्ड सूंड, एंड इन इंग्लिश वी कॉल इट ट्रंक. द एलिफेंट्स ट्रंक मींस एलिफेंट की सूंड इज वेरी स्ट्रांग, वो बहुत स्ट्रांग होती है. एपोस्ट्रोफी इज यूज्ड टू शो बिलोंगिंग. किस लिए शो होता है ये वर्ड एपोस्ट्रोफी एस? ये जो वर्ड है एपोस्ट्रोफी एस, ये कब यूज होता है? एपोस्ट्रोफी कॉमा एंड एस. कब यूज होता है ये? फॉर शोइंग एपोस्ट्रोफी एस. ये वर्ड हम कब दिखाते हैं? जब हमें ये दिखाना होता है दैट समथिंग इज बिलोंगिंग टू समवन. कोई चीज किसी की है. कीर्ति's बॉटल. अंडरस्टैंड? कीर्ति's मोबाइल फोन. अंडरस्टैंड? यू हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दैट. मूव टू द एक्सरसाइज. The doll belonging to Nisha, so we will write like Nisha's doll. The tail of dog, dog's tail. Understand? Now the next question is the tail of dog. So answer will be dog's tail. Tail of dog means dog ki tail. सो आंसर क्या होगा? द डॉग्स टेल. डॉग के बाद एपिस्ट्रॉफी कॉमा एस लगा दिए हैं एंड टेल लिख दिए हैं. देन आंसर इज डॉग्स टेल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द हाउस बिलोंगिंग टू रवि. व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? एनीवन कैन टेल मी? So students, the answer of this question is Ravi's house. Write down Ravi, R-A-V-I, Ravi, and apostrophe comma, and then S. Ravi's house. Ravi's house. The nest belonging to the bird. What will be the answer? The bird's nest. The bird's nest. The book belonging to Sonia. Sonia's book. Apostrophe comma and then S and then B double O की book. क्योंकि ये बुक किसकी है? सोनिया की है, तो सोनिया's book. Understand? Next question is the horn of the bull. So bull's horn, the bull's horn. The horns. The pencil belonging to Vinay, Vinay's pencil. Apostrophe comma S, pencil. Understand? I hope that you all have completed this exercise. It's very easy. I will send you the video after some time on your WhatsApp group. Read these sentences. Nilesh is Rahul's brother. Here Rahul's brother shows that Rahul and Nilesh are brother, are related. यहाँ पे Rahul's brothers का मतलब क्या है कि that Rahul and Nilesh are brother, are same. They are related to each other. Rohini's school. Here Rohini's school is in Noida. Here Rohini's school means that school in which Rohini studies. Here we are talking about Rohini's school, मतलब Rohini जिस school में पढ़ती है. We are talking about her school. Apostrophe is also used to show that something is related to another. Apostrophe ये भी show करता है that something is related to another thing. Now read these expressions using apostrophe S. Here we have to read this expression and write these expressions using apostrophe S. Sister of Meena. That means Meena's sister. Alka? Here you can see the first one is sister of Meena, Meena's sister. The movies in which Ranveer was acted means as वो movie जिसमें रणवीर ने acting की थी, Ranveer's movie. The school in which Varun studies, Varun's school. Understand? Apostrophe comma S, Varun's school in which Varun studied. The office in which Jyoti worked, Jyoti's office. Father of Suhana, Suhana's father. Apostrophe comma S, father. Suhana's father, यानी कि सुहाना के father. The teacher who teaches Madhu, Madhu's teacher. Apostrophe S, Madhu's teacher. The movies in which Salman acted, Salman's movie. Apostrophe comma S, movie, movies. Put S also, movies. Understand? Okay, move to the next exercise, which is the tails of dogs. We are अभी तक हम पढ़ रहे थे, we are studying about the singular. Now we will study about the plural also. The tails of dogs means बहुत सारी dogs की बहुत सारी tails. So how will we write? We have to put, अगर any word is ending with s, any word is ending with s, कोई word ऐसा है, कोई noun ऐसा है जो s से end हो रहा है, then we just have to put apostrophe. We don't have to put apostrophe comma. वहां पर हमें apostrophe comma नहीं लगाना है. apostrophe comma नहीं लगाना है वहां पे. कहां पे? जहां word is ending with s. अगर कोई word end हो रहा है s से, like dogs, तो हमें यहाँ पे सिर्फ apostrophe लगाना है possession दिखाने के लिए. Understand? Dogs food. Understand? Dogs food. You can write. So here you can see the tails of dogs. The tails of dogs is written as the dog's tail. Only we have to put this comma, not apostrophe comma s. The book belonging to the students book. Students book. Now here, let me write the answer. The dresses belonging to the girls' dresses. Understand? GIRL, girls, and apostrophe comma and dresses. Understand? Do not put s. Apostrophe comma के बाद s नहीं लगाना है. Don't put. Next is the shoe belonging to the ladies. So the ladies' shoes. Shoes. The shirts belonging to the boys. The boys apostrophe comma shirt. Shirts. The toys belonging to the babies. The babies apostrophe comma toys. The bag belonging to the guests. The guests apostrophe comma bags. I hope you all have done this exercise also. Move to the next exercise. Rewrite these sentences using apostrophe or apostrophe comma s. अब हमें यहाँ पे apostrophe और apostrophe comma use करके we have to complete these sentences. Understand? So the bag carried by Rahul is very heavy. So the answer will be, what will be the answer? Rahul's bag was very heavy. Understand what we have to write? Rahul's bag was very heavy. Rahul apostrophe comma s, because this word Rahul is not ending with s. So हम यहाँ पर apostrophe comma s लिखेंगे. Rahul's bag is very heavy. Full stop. The office of my father is in Delhi. My father's office. Understand? My father's office is in Delhi. The hostel of boys is closed for Diwali. So answer will be the boys. Here word is ending with s. Boys लिखा है ना, BOYS question में. So we just have to put apostrophe comma only. Don't put apostrophe comma s. S नहीं लगाना है comma के साथ. The hostel, boys hostel. Is closed for Diwali. Full stop. Do not touch the screen. The schools of girls is beside the hospitals. The girls' school is beside the hospital. The girls apostrophe girls school is beside the hospital. Last question you all have to do by yourself. सब last question खुद से करेंगे. Which is please check whether the school shoes of students are clean or not. So here the answer will be students shoes. Yes, Yashwant. Apostrophe comma रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा?
मैम रहेगा, apostrophe comma रहेगा.
S रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा apostrophe comma के बाद? कौन सा आएगा? Look at here. Which will be your answer?
मैम
इन दोनों में से कौन सा
Please
आंसर रहेगा? ये
check.
आंसर कि ये आंसर रहेगा? क्या रहेगा आंसर?
please check whether his student apostrophe के बाद comma shoes are wet.
Clean or not? किस तरह से वो लिखेंगे इसको पता है? Please check whether the students shoes. Please check whether the students shoes are clean or not. Understand? You have to write like this. Please check whether the students shoes are clean or not. इसको पहले से नहीं लिखना है. Students shoes are clean or not. पूरा sentence लिखना है. Please check whether the students are clean or not. Understand? You have to write like this. इस तरह से पूरा sentence. I hope that you all have completed this exercise also. Next day we will complete review 1. Review 1 is for your homework, page number 36. You have to do by yourself. A, B, C exercise. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope that you all have completed all the exercises. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Understand?